A brand new shake plugin just got released to After Effects, and to be honest with you guys, it's going to be revolutionary for shake effects. It gets even better because it's completely free for 7 days. Plus, if you share it with 3 friends that purchase it, you get it free for life. Make sure to use code ET to get it for free, plus $5 off anything in his store. And let's dive straight into this plugin. I have my clips right here. You can see the Shake Toss 2 is up on the top right. There's 2 different kind of presets here. You have constant, you have constant, and keyframed shakes. Constant is, like it says, is just constant. It goes all over the place. As you hover over every single one of these, it'll show you what it looks like with the shake sauce icon, as you can see. I want to add handheld shake to just this clip. Make sure you have selected the clip you want. Go to the handheld. If you want to add all these, you can. You can add a flicker. Click on one of these flickers or filters. It brings up only the selected ones that use it. In order for me to use handheld, I cannot use that. So let's just grab handheld. Make sure that motion blur is on so we can get that little nice motion blur of it. Click this check mark. It's going to add it straight to your layer. Now watch. There we go. If we want to increase it, just go to your effects controls panel, go to your position and crank the amplitude and frequency. You don't want to do it a crap ton or otherwise it'll look bad. Now let's try. See? In order to delete it, don't click it and hit backspace or it's going to bring up this black screen. It's really annoying. I thought it was a bug, but it's actually not. He did it on purpose. Let's just undo that and go over to this trash icon and click it. Now, as you can see, boom. Now I want to add a nice transition with this beat. Go over to your keyframed one. I love how this UI is so snappy too, man. It's so nice. Go over your keyframe. Make sure you're not clicked on anything so it will go above these 2. And I want this, let's go for this light. You can see I already been playing around a little much because this stuff is so crazy. Hit light. I want a flicker and mirror. It looks smooth. Light, check mark. It's gonna bring it up. Now let's watch. Dude, what? That is crazy. That is so crazy. Okay, and if you want to, again, you just click on it, go up to this, and if you can mess with all the settings. If you don't want to use the effects control panel to do that, you can go over to whatever one you want. So let's just say I wanted light. Click this little pen tool. It's gonna bring up his exact version of it, and you can mess with the amplitude or frequency here. And for the separate dimensions, if you want to just mess with the amplitude on the x-axis or y-axis, you can. It's so simple, man. It's crazy. It's so stupid how he made this. Holy moly. Let's make a custom shake. I want to add my own customizable animation. I'm just going to take one of the light for instance. Hit this plus or this little pen icon. It's going to bring this up. You can mess with the position. If you click over here, you can get rotation. So you can do scale. You can scale it in more or not if you want to. I'm just gonna do that. You can mess with the scale, amplitude, frequency. Click over here. You can so if I don't want a flicker, you can get rid of flicker. If you don't want motion blur, but you should add motion blur because of shake effect. If you don't want mirror, but you also want mirror, so I would just recommend doing all these. And you can ump the brightness up so it'll be brighter like that. If you're a music producer, man, that does edits music videos, or even, I'm gonna use these on some of my reels. This is sick. This is gonna definitely give your reels and music production higher quality, faster production rate, and overall it's gonna look sick. In order to save this preset, just go over here, bottom right. You wanna make sure that your keyframes are centered, so wherever you want it, just hit center keyframe. That's gonna put it right there. Hit this, name it your preset. So let's name it ET Shake 2. Save it. It's gonna save to your presets that you already made, so you can sell these to people or just give them to your friends, whatever. Come down here, go to keyframe, Shake 2. It's right here, so you can just click on it. That's sick, man. That is so cool. And I just realized this now, but I forgot to tell you something that's extremely important. If you guys click this video over here, it's gonna show you exactly how to create a reel from the beginning and start, and spice it up with this After Effects plugin shake sauce too. Peace.